Hello, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use Keywords Everywhere. If you've not already downloaded Keywords Everywhere, please refer to my tutorial that shows how to do so. With that out of the way, let's get on with this one. Let's begin by searching for matcha tea. As you can see underneath the search bar, volume is 60,500/MO. What that means is, for the given time period, there has been 60,500 searches on average per month. The current time period set is any time, but if I would change it to year as of today, it would remain the same. So there's no need to at this time. Let's continue on with what's so good about Keywords Everywhere. As you can see, it shows related keywords and what the average number of searches was for each of them by the month for the given time period. And it also shows what people also search for on average for the months during this time period. If you wish to see what the item actually is with a picture, you can click what I just clicked and you'll be brought here. As you'll see, green tea has 90,500 searches on average per month for the time period. Cientia has 8,100 averages per month. Let's go back to matcha tea now. What you can do with these cool tables is actually export them to an Excel file. And as you can see here, the keywords, the volume is all here, and it'll be the same for this one right here, as you'll soon see. And here it is. Best match, best match. But the one thing that these two do not have is the original term that we searched for. If you click on this button right here to export, they'll include everything, including our search term matcha tea, which has 60,500 right here. The cool part about this is you can download this, save it, and export it into an analyst tool like Power BI or Tableau or whatever else, and do some analytics if need be. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped, and have a great day.